Okay. So, where is this? Hmm, okay, I have copied here it. Okay. So now we have very simply we have created under this table we have a only two queries, right? Hmm? Hmm. Let me go back. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So now what I will do, I will insert this two more queries where we load the data into dim table. Correct. So first of all, I need to identify what name we have given to that script. Okay. So stage customer S editor. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, this one. Okay. So what we will do, this is what these two queries. Okay. These two queries. I need these two. Hmm? Okay. So now what I will do, I'll insert these queries and again this query where I will insert in our control table. Okay. So for that already we have insert statement. Okay. I think where is that insert statement? Mhm. Okay. Somewhere I kept it. Hmm. Okay, let me write an insert statement. Mhm. Here I'll write insert into and this control table. Okay, values. First column is dim customer. Okay, and second one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the third one is batch ID. Batch ID already two queries we have, and this is three, and then actual query. Hmm? Okay, this query I'll insert till here. Hmm? Okay, this is one thing, and same what I will do, I'll copy paste again. Okay, so here fourth query, and this one I will insert. Okay, so this query, where is till here? This query I will insert. Hmm. Okay, so first I will execute this query. This one. Okay, and where I have, let me close all this. Hmm. Okay, here we are. Hmm. I'm executing this. Compilation error. Why? Where is the problem? Where insert values are inserted. Match except 7. Okay. What are the columns we have? Let me see. Okay. First, these four I have given. Username, insert GMT timestamp, update GMT timestamp. Okay. Username. Hmm. Username. And then current timestamp. Okay, so these three I will use. Okay, so now what I will do, I'll execute this query. Hmm. Okay, username I have given wrong. Something username like this we can give, but I'll hard code for now. Demo cursor. Okay, I'll hard code for now. One record inserted and another record here is already executed here. Okay, so this is also I'm executing. Mhm. Now if you see, I'm going, okay, dimension, comma, database. No, yes, here it comma, let me stop. See, this is called a wrapper script. Okay, so we will, what we do, we will execute all queries in sequence in our control table. Hmm? Okay, so now you say, anyway, you need to run sequentially. So what I'm doing, instead of keeping all queries in uh, stored procedure, this is another way we can execute like this. So if you see these four, whichever I need to execute sequentially, that I have kept it. First, you see, first I'm loading the data into stage table, okay, and then dimension table. These two about two queries are, it will just what it does, it will truncate the data in the stage table and load the data from the stage table to sorry, source table to stage table. And the third query, what it does, it will delete the data from the customer table using the stage table and then which are matching records. And then we insert the data from the stage table. Okay. So now stored procedure already it's there. No need to touch anything. Okay. We just see, I have reduced my development effort because once I created this procedure and whenever if there is any requirement comes, I just add these queries into my control table. Now simply what I will do, I will run this my procedure simple. Okay. Now you see this will run and it will execute all step by step. Now everything is completed. Okay. So what I will do here, instead of query set, I will use uh, prod, prod procedure successfully completed. Okay. Next time when I execute, I'll get this statement. Correct, right? Okay. Now I will rerun again so that we can see. Hmm, hmm. Okay. Stored procedure successfully completed. Now you got the statement. Now we need to validate the data. Correct. Hmm. Now if you see time, it will change here. See 29, 51, 56. Okay. And similarly, if you see under dim table. There was older data. Now it will change to new data. See 22, 29. Okay, 29, 52. See, like this, it will execute the data. So, is this good enough query? Whatever we have in our condition here. I mean, this procedure, whatever procedure we are created, right? We have created. Is this very good by seeing? No, this is not good at all actually. Because you just used only simple statements and completed your procedure. Okay. But there are many things what you need to do before executing. You need to update again. So you have to add this what do you call this exception handling also you need to add. Okay. So that exception handling also you need to keep. How I will show you now. Okay, I'll take the exception handling. Uh, okay, this one I'll take. Hmm? Okay, you see now what I will do. I'll add up here. First, I'll add here. Okay, so before after closing the query, exception when other, then that error I'll take this. Okay, so this one, in case if there is any, first what I will do. Okay, I will use this one. Hmm. I have taken the exception when other than a written SQL error. Okay. Now I will execute this. I have just added the exceptions now. Okay. So in this exception, in case if there is any error in the query, it will print this. Okay, that error. For example, if you don't have any error, then it will not print anything. Okay. So now I execute this. Again, I am rerunning the query. Okay. How you will modify? This is how you do the work in the real time also. In case if there is any feature not available, that feature you will be going to apply. Okay. You are going to uh, use that feature. So here also we got the null because there is no error. Now what I will do, I will so let me show you the data first and then I will just show you what mistake I am going to give now. So in this dim table, if you see, time got changed. Okay, 6:24. Earlier it was some 9 or something. If you see the recording, you can understand what was the time earlier and now what is the time it got updated. Okay, now you see what I will do. I will give some mistake in the query. This I'll second query I'll give mistake. Okay, so this sorry third query. So in this third query I'll delete the third query. Okay, um, delete from control table. Where query sequence ID query sequence ID equal to 3. I'll delete this one. Now you see only 1, 2, 4 I have. Okay. Now in third, what I will do, third query, I'll give some one extra here. Okay, customer dim customer one I have given, but I don't have a that particular entry. I'll insert the data. Okay, query got inserted, and now I will run this and show you. Okay, see, third is there here. Okay, customer one I have given, and by intentionally I have given. Now what I will do, I will run this and see what error I will get. Hmm? See, compilation error, object dim, customer error, or customer one does not exist or not authorized. See, whether did I, whether above two queries got executed or not? Yes, those were executed 100%. How? I'll show you. Now also I'll show you how. Okay, stage table. I'm just showing you the now timings. Okay. Now you see 26, 639 is there, right? 26, 22, 35, 26, 639. Now again I will rerun. I will get the error, but till stage table it will load the data. If the timestamp is changed means it got override the existing data. Okay. Now you just check. Okay. Again it is failed because third step was failed. And now what I will do, I will run the stage table. See, 26,596. But stage table, if you dim table, if you see data not yet loaded into the dim table. So you can see older timestamp only. 36, 26 you have, right? It will have a older timestamp. You see 32 to 56. But here 36 we have. It means the data was not loaded. Okay, that is good. Okay, because I have given a mistake. So that mistake I will correct it now. Okay, I will what I will do. I will either you can update the query, either you can delete this and then you reinsert. So instead of that, you need to update the query. It is better. So I'll write a update statement. Update. Okay, table. Hmm? Set what column? What is the column name? Query set, right? Query set, query set, not query set, query equal to, I'll give the correct query now. Okay, where is that query? Come down. This one, I will give the correct. I'm updating now. Okay, and here removing this. Okay, and then okay, and then comma and update GMT timestamp also I'm going to change. Update date. Okay, update date equal to current timestamp. Where query sequence ID equal to 3. Okay, and query ID equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now update this query. In real time, you are going to update like this. Only particular query, particular column. Okay, I'm just updated. Multi-number genders. Okay, one. Only one record got executed. Now you see third query inserted and we corrected. Okay, updated, right? And you see the timestamp when this was inserted, 35 minutes. Okay, 22 hours, 35 minutes. But now we have updated after 4 minutes. Now, if you run your query, yes, it will success because query you no need to touch now. Your script is no need to touch. You have changed here itself in the control table. See, you are saving your time and you are not touching your script at all. Okay, always you have created once and you are running. See, queries are executed successfully. Now you see time will change in the dimension table. See, now you see 40. Just now it was executed, right? 20 to 40 minutes. So like this, we need to add our exception errors. Is this enough? As a 5 years experience guy, okay, or more than 5 years experience guy, will you be, is this query is enough or wrapper script is enough? No. Okay. I would say it is not. You have just added this exception that I agree. Yes, you very good developer. You are a very good developer. You have added this. I agree. But is that enough? Because in case, for example, now I have four queries. One, two, three, four, right? Now what is happening? Whenever my query is executed and one by one, yes, if there is no failure in between, yes, I agree, this is fine. In case if it is failed, the second one executed and third one got failed. Hmm? Now, when you correct the query and update it in the control table, if you rerun the query, what it does, again it will take from the top to bottom. It means already these queries are executed, right? 1 and 2 it got executed already, but 3 and 4 was not executed. Okay, because this step was failed. Yes, yes, Jeevan. Hello. Any questions? Hello. Okay. So something, if you want to do like this, what you need to do. Okay. So already whatever the queries are successfully executed, those queries you need to insert into your status table. Now you are going to discuss about the control log tables. Okay. These log tables are very important. Whenever you execute the queries and you need to have how much queries got executed and what is the record count of those queries. Everything you need to capture. It is not like that, yes, I have prepared this query, it is enough. No. Where is the control table? Where is the status table? Huh? Where is your control log error table? So these things you need to you need to implement in this procedure itself, so that whenever you run your procedure with that specific data subject, in case if there is any failure, from failure you need to run the query. It is not like that again from the top to bottom, because already consider you have a 10 queries. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like this you have. So here this query got failed. These are all success and it got failed here. Now, what will happen? If you run the script, again it will run from the top to bottom. It means already here it has taken already 5 hours. Huh? And here it got failed. Again, when you rerun the query, what it does, it will take again a few, again 5 more hours. Then again waste of time, right? Correct. So to avoid that, what you need to do, you need to capture all the success queries into one control table, and again you need to look up this control table into into your main table, so that you can take only which is failed from the failed queries, which are executed successfully. You need to ignore them and you need to take the failure queries from the failure query. So if it is failed from 6, means which are all pending? 6, 7, 8, 9. You no need to run 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct. If it is failed here, 8 means what? Till 7 it got executed successfully. 8, 9 you need to run. So if you correct the query and if you run this, then it will run from the 8, 9. Right. So like that you need to implement this kind of flow. So this is called a control mechanism. So that this it will help you in real time. Okay, so some of them they will keep all queries in the uh, query itself, how we have done our SCD type 2. So we kept all queries in the stored procedure itself. Similarly, also you can keep. Okay. Or else you can create a control table like this and you can update all these queries like this, and you can insert this query into a table and you can run this. Okay. So like this, you need to implement. Still, here I am saying that, right? So it is not a complete query stored procedure. What you need to do, you need to apply again the control table mechanism here, so that log tables and as well as status table, and that status table which query got executed and everything you need to capture. So that we will discuss tomorrow. So here, please practice all these things, okay? And we will apply here also. Now this also failed, right? We will see why it got failed actually. Okay, so we need to understand why it is failed. Hmm. Okay, so already we have given a filter meter here. Hmm, P underscore hmm, query ID. For example, I give like this, and here what I will do. Okay, if I change this, it will take new thing or new something, right? But okay, this is fine. If I modify this, why this is not taking? Let me see once again. Okay, and if didn't work, I will check and we will discuss tomorrow. Filter condition, and then what I will do, where okay, equal to sorry, hmm, query ready equal to filter condition, something like that only. Is this query ID column or what? Here we have all query ID. Yes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Why it is not working? Sometimes it's same actually, but I don't know why. Let me see. Mhm. But when I pass the parameter, it is failing. Hmm. Filter condition. See, compilation error. Invalid identifier. I don't know why it is not passing the correct value. Either I need to change anything like this or Mhm. Select the query, clear query ID. If I use the colon, it is says it is a variable. Hmm. Earlier also we just used same value to store the value, but here hmm, if I give here it is failing colon. If I give here colon, it is failing. But why? Why? No, I will do like this. Hmm. Let me see whether it will work or not. Pipeline will fail actually. Okay, let me check this and then we will discuss tomorrow. Hmm? Okay, so whatever so far we have discussed, right, that this is very useful in real time. Okay, so why? Because nowadays, right, in the market, we are going to work on the framework like we are going to use the one single code. It run multiple queries like multiple subjects or multiple uh, integrations. Something integration is nothing but I mean you have a different files like customer table, branch table. You have many things, and you have created a one procedure. Okay, you need to just pass the queries into control table. So to save the timings. Okay, either you can implement individual queries. It is not like that. Okay, but only the problem is every time if you have a 100 tables, 100 files, for example, for 100 files you need to onboard the data with the ACD type one. Now you need to create a 100 stored procedure. Instead of that, you create only one procedure and create the 100 queries and keep the control table. Okay, like this, you can save your time. Okay, okay, one minute. Huh? Okay, okay, let's we we apply, you know, uh, other log table, everything we will do the, we add in the same procedure. We use the log tables and as well as status tables, and we will discuss this topic tomorrow. So cursor we need to use. There is a separate topic we will discuss this cursor. We have a implicit cursor, explicit cursor, both we have. So that also we will discuss after that, right? So this once we discussed this step, and almost we are done. Almost we are done means mainly STD type 1 and type 2 is the major portion here in this procedure. Okay, so both we have discussed, and we have discussed two ways how we can create the STD type 1 in the stored procedure using the wrapper script as well as using the normal keeping in the all queries in the control procedure itself. Okay, so depending on your requirement or depending on your business, your architecture flow, you need to implement them. Okay. Some of them what they suggest to uh, keep 100 stored procedures for 100 files and prepare the procedures. Some of them they said no, create some kind of wrapper script like this, and just create one control table and keep all queries in the control table. We will pass parameter and we apply the filter condition to load the data in the tables. That like that also they will suggest. According to your business requirement, you need to implement the logic. But this is also one of the flow. We can create one wrapper script to run the Snowflake procedures. Okay, keep that in mind. Everywhere, any project you will have a like this only. Either they prepare one wrapper script or they go by different procedure for each file. Okay, that is common. And this cursors we will take another topic, and we have a zero copy cloning, and there are some performance, how we can improve the performance, and what is the time travel, and what is the cache. Okay, so those few topics we have. Once it is done, then we will you can prepare yourself and you can upload the profile in Naukri or anywhere so that you can attend the interviews. By max, I'll close this calls by all these topics by 11th or Sunday. Okay, next week I'll close this everything, and then you can update your profile, and you can now only you can update you as a fresher or as experience as your guys as your wish. Okay. Okay, see you tomorrow. We will connect again. Hmm? Okay, thank you. Thank you all.